Hello friends, welcome. Friends, today I teach some example of exercise and illustration. So first example is the position of particle is given by r is equal to 3t I caret plus 2t square j caret plus 5k caret, where t is in the second and the coefficient have the proper unit for r to be in meters. A. Find Vt and At, means acceleration and velocity of particle. And B. Find the magnitude and the direction of Vt is equal to t is equal to 1 second. Friends, first of all, position r is equal to available, means r is equal to 3t I caret plus 2t square j caret plus 5k caret. Friends, first of all, now we want to find velocity. So now we take derivative with respect to time. So we get here dr upon dt, here 3 I caret, because here t, so dt upon dt is equal to 1, and derivative of t square is 2t. So 2 was already available, so 2 into 2 means 4 t j caret, and last term have no time, so it is a constant value, and derivative of constant value is 0. So we get here, instead dr upon dt we can write down velocity v, so is equal to 3 I caret plus 4t j caret. Friends, again now we take derivative of this equation. So left hand side we can write down dv upon dt, and this is here not time is available. So this is a constant value and its derivative is 0. But here t is available. So dt upon dt means 1, and here we get dv upon dt is equal to 4 j caret. Means acceleration is 4 j caret meter per second square. Here some mistake. It is unit is meter per second square, not meter per second. Okay. Second, now v is equal to, friends, we get 3 I caret plus 4 t j caret. Now we take t is equal to 1 second. So we get v is equal to 3 I caret plus 4 into 1 means 4 j caret. Now we want to find out magnitude. So with the help of this formula we can find out. So v is equal to under vx square plus vy square. Vx is equal to 3 and vy is equal to 4. So 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Means under 25. And its solution is 5. If the resultant velocity makes an angle with x-axis, then means tan theta is equal to vy upon vx. So vy is equal to 4 and vx is equal to 3. So we get 1.333. Friends, with the help of your textbook, natural tangent are available. So in natural tangent you can find out for which degree you get answer 1.333. So we get answer 53 degree and 8 minute. Means similarly we can write down theta is equal to 53 degree. Our next example, a particle start from origin at t is equal to 0 with a velocity 5 I caret meter per second and moves in xy plane under action of force, which produces a constant acceleration of 3 I caret plus 2 j caret meter per second square. So first A, what is the y coordinate of the particle at the instant its x coordinate is 84 meter? And B, what is the speed of the particle at this time? So now we have formula for the position of particle is RT is equal to V0t plus 1 by 2 at square. In this formula, value of velocity and acceleration are substituted. So we get 5t I caret plus 1 by 2, 3 I caret plus 2 j caret t square. Friends, first of all, these two are divided. So 3 by 2 means 1.5 t square and 2 by 2 means 1 t square. And here t square is also multiplied with them. So friends, we get here 5t I caret plus 1.5 t square I caret plus 1 t square j caret. Friends, look here. Here first two terms we have I caret. So now we take common. So we get 5t plus 1.5 t square whole bracket I caret plus 1 t square j caret. So RT is equal to, we can write down xt I caret plus yt j caret. So here we get xt is equal to 5t plus 1.5 t square and yt is equal to get 1 t square. So xt is equal to 5t plus 1.5 t square. Friends, in our question xt is available and its value is 84 meter. So this value is substituted here. So 84 is equal to 5t plus 1.5 t square. This 84 term moves right hand side. So we get 1.5 t square plus 5t minus 84 is equal to 0. Friends, first of all, this equation is multiplied by 10 on both sides. Right hand side we get 0, but left hand side 15t square plus 50t plus 840 is equal to 0. And now we take 5 common. Okay. So we get 3t square plus 10t minus 168 is equal to 0. Okay, now we take factor. So 3t square plus 28 minus 18t minus 168 is equal to 0. In first two term, now we take t common. So t is equal to 3t plus 28 minus. In this two term, now we take common 6. So 6, 3t plus 28. So we get 3t plus 28 and t minus 6 is equal to 0. But now we take t is equal to minus 28 upon 3. Time is negative. It is not possible. But in this term now we take t minus 6 is equal to 0. So this minus 6 is moved right hand side. So we get t is equal to 6. So friends, time is available. T is equal to 6 seconds. This value is substituted in yt. So yt is equal to 1t square means 1 cross 6 square. 6 square is 36. 1 cross 36 means 36. Now we have formula for velocity. Vt is equal to 5 plus 3t I caret plus 2t j square j caret. In this term, now we take time t is equal to 6 seconds. So instead t we can write down 6. So V6 is equal to 5 plus here t 6 3 are 18 I caret. Here t is equal to, now we take put 6 2 are 12. So 12 j caret. Means x component is a 80 plus 5 means 23 I caret and 12 j caret. So now we want to find out its magnitude, means v is equal to under root 23 means x component square and square of the y component. Means 23 square plus 12 square is answer is 6 under root 673 and its under root is 25.94. Means we can write down v is equal to 26 meter per second. Our next example, the position of the particle is given by r is equal to 3t I caret minus 2t square j caret plus 4k caret meter, where t is in the second and the coefficient have the proper unit for r to be in meter. So first find the v and a. V means velocity and a means acceleration of the particle. And b, what is the magnitude and the direction of velocity of the particle at t is equal to 2 seconds. So first of all, r is equal to 3t I caret minus 2t square j caret plus 4k is position of the particle. Now we take derivative on both sides. So left hand side we get dr upon dt is equal to d upon dt 3t I caret minus 2t square j caret plus 4k caret. Friends, last term have no time is not available. So it is a constant and its derivative is 0. But derivative of 3t means 3 is common, dt upon dt means 1. So we get vt is equal to 3i caret. And derivative of t square is 2t. So 2 is already available. 2 into 2t means minus 4t j caret. Now we want to find acceleration. So again now we take derivative of equation number 2. So we get left hand side at is equal to d upon dt 3 I caret minus 4t j caret. Here time is not available, so it is a constant value and its derivative is 0. So at is equal to we get minus 4 j caret. So time t is equal to 2 seconds. It's substitute equation number 2. So we get v2 is equal to 3i minus 4 2 j caret. 4 in 4 2s are 8. So we get x component and this is a y component. So v is equal to under root 3 square plus minus 8 square. 3 square is 9 and 8 square is 64. So we get under root 73 and its answer is 8.544 meter per second. And now we want to find out angle between x-axis and velocity. So we have equation tan theta is equal to vy upon vx. Here vy is equal to minus 8 and vx is equal to 3. So minus 8 upon 3. Friends, calculate 8 upon 3 and with the help of natural tangent find out for which degree this value are available. So we get theta is equal to 69.5 degree with x-axis in downward direction. Next example, the particles start from the origin t is equal to 0 second with a velocity of 10 j caret meter per second and move in the xy plane with the constant acceleration of 8 I caret plus 2 j caret meter per second square. A. At what time is the x coordinate of the particle is 16 meter? What is the y component? What is the y coordinate of the particle at that time? B. What is the speed of the particle at the time? So first, now we have initial velocity is equal to 10 meter per second. Initial position is 0 and acceleration is a 8 I caret plus 2 j caret. All these values are substituted in this formula. So we get vector r is equal to 0 plus 10 j caret t plus 1 by 2. Instead a we can write down here 8 I caret plus 2 j caret t square as it is. Here 8 divided by 2 means 4 I caret, 2 divided by 2 means only for j caret t square. T square is multiply. So here we get 10 j caret t plus 4 t square I caret plus t square j caret. Friends, look here. Here j caret and here j caret are common. Now we take. So we get 4t square I caret plus whole bracket 10t plus t square close bracket j caret. This equation is compared with r is equal to xi plus yj caret. So we get x is equal to 4t square and y is equal to 10t plus t square. But in our question x is equal to 16 meter are available. So 16 plus 4t square. So 4 divide 16 by 4 means 4. 4 is equal to t square. So t is equal to we get 2 seconds. And this value is substituted in y. So y is equal to 10t plus t square. In this formula now we substitute t is equal to 2 seconds. So 10 to the 20 and 2 square 4. So we get 20 plus 4 means 24 meter. And in B, friends, all this term are we substitute. Means V is equal to, in this formula, 8t I caret plus 10 2t j caret. In this formula now we substitute t is equal to 2. So V is equal to means mod V is equal to under root Vx square plus Vy square. Vx is equal to 8t square and Vy is equal to 10 plus 2t whole square. But in this formula now we take t is equal to 2 substitute. So 8 to the 16, 16 square is 256. And here 10 plus 2 into 2 means 4. 4 plus 10 means 14 square. 14 square is 196. And the value of under 256 plus 196 is equal to under 452. And its root is 21.26. So friends, all these examples are very useful. You write down in your notebook and prepare it.